question, I call this. Okay, 他有这么多，had 160 more apples than peers, and then he sold 卖掉 right?
Yes.
So therefore, that means this is like there is transaction involved, 有交易
Yes.
OK 交易就是 sold or bought 也可以是 used 或者 spent or receive OK 就是有加减的那个关系 OK you have you either plus or minus when you sold that means minus right when you bought that means plus so I call this kind of question is transaction question OK transaction OK transaction 就是交易 OK 有加减的 OK so this kind of question what you need to do is very simple do you know the model method 怎么画 model 吗？有学过吗？ No, I just want to know whether you have learned before or not. Yes or no? Or no? 有学过吗？ Have you learned? 自学有学过对不对 ？Okay, never mind. So if you have not learned, never mind. No, you don't have to learn it actually. So what I want you to write down is, can you look at this? Just this statement alone. This statement alone says apples is equal to pears plus 160, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So yes. So you just need to know this one. Okay. So once you know this one, simple. So apple. Okay. Let me just use short form. 简写 A 等于 P 加160 Okay. A represent apple. P represent pears. Are you clear? Okay. So now I'm going to start with the. So A is P plus 160. So pear is pear. Okay. I'm going to start the branch. 这个叫做树枝方法 I call it the branch method. Okay. So what is it? Next statement. He sold 5/8 of the apple. Here's the apple, right? Right?
Yes.
So 5/8 of. What's the meaning of 5/8 of apple? Of means in mathematics, of means what? Times. 乘
Yes.
Okay? So 58的 of means 58 times apples. Apples 在哪里？在这里哦。So I just use the 5/8 times the whole thing. 这整个 right?
Yes.
So I need to put a bracket by the way. So if 5/8 of apple sold, right? 剩多少 Left how much? 5/8 sold, so 3/8 left, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yep. So 3/8 of this whole thing left, right? Okay.
Okay.
So this one done. Now, so 1/3 of the pears. So you come down to pears. 1/3 of the pear. 1/3 of the pear. 1/3 of means times, right?
Yes.
So 1/3 times. Pears P, right? So it's 1/3 P sold. So 1/3 P sold. So how much is left? 2/3, yes, or 2/3 times P left, right? So over here, so far so good.
Yes.
这个数字就是这样子。Now, it says at the end of the day, so he had 38 more pears than apple. So now, we need to compare which one and which one. And the difference is 38.
38.
Okay, you look at the branch here. Never mind. So you need to come closer. Right? Is it better?
Yes.
Okay, much better. So he had 38 more pears than apple. So which one you need to compare now? And the difference is 38. This is salt, right?
Yes.
This is the apple salt. This is the pear salt, right?
Yes.
So this one 38 more pear than apple salt. The 38 this difference is between which one? Is the between
Pear
the pear left and the
and the apple.
apple left, right?
Yes.
它们剩下的来比较，它的相差是38, right?
Yes.
Okay, so therefore
Pears is
this one is more than the apple, right? So basically this one left is more than the apple left, right? So that means this one 2 over 3p is equal to this one, the apple left,
8,
and you still have 2 plus
38.
38. So your job is to solve this. 你就应该解题这个。So you must be wondering how to solve this, right? Okay, let's do this step by step. This one, open the bracket, first arrow, second arrow. Open the bracket, 打开括号。怎么打开？第一个进去，第二个进去。So 等号 just bring down.
Okay.
Left hand side 左手边
Continue.
照抄。The first arrow 第一个箭头给你 3 over 8 times p。第二个箭头 Can you help me out？ 第二个箭头3 over 8 times 160。So 3 over 8 times 160.
60.
The answer is 60, right?
Yes.
So the rest just copy down. Okay?
Yes.
So far so good?
Yes.
So now, can you see that 60 and 38, you can add them together,
Can.
right? So the rest, I just copy down.
98.
Yep, good, very good. So the rest I just copy down because I have not done any calculation here. 我没有运算这些, so I just copy down. This is what I want to calculate, so it's 98, right? Now, can you see that this one is equal to this one plus this one? So therefore, you can bring this over.
2 over
So it's 2 over 3p minus
minus 0.
3 over 8p is equal to 98, right?
Yes.
Can you help me out with the left hand side? 这个叫左手边，这个叫右手边，等号是中间。So equal sign is the middle. 98 is the right hand side. This is the left hand side. So what do you get for the left hand side?
7 over 20.
Okay, 7 over 24p is equal to 98, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So 7 over 24p is equal to 98. So p is equal to, how do you get p?
9.
You just divide. So the left hand side, you divide by 7 over 24. So 你就直接 divide 前面的。So 这个也要 divide by 7 over 24. So what's the answer for p?
336.
Yes, 336. So p equal to 336. Let's go back to the branch. P 是 336, right? Right? So I just put it there. Now the question asks for what was the total number of apple and pear that had at first. At first is here, right?
Difference.
Right?
Yes.
So apple is. Can you help me out?
30.
Can you help me out? Plus the.
60.
Yeah. So what's the answer for apple?
490.
Very good. I like your mental calculation. Okay. So the pear is 336. So therefore you add these two together. That will be the total.
Yes.
Yep. You want to use your mental or you want to use the calculator?
196.
Plus the 336.
832.
Very good. So that's the answer. Right? So that's how you solve this kind of question. Okay? Good?
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
So transaction question 有加有减的 okay? Plus minus, you should use the branch method. And the branch method is, this is the branch method. Okay?